Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by narrowing your field and committing to concrete goals. Pick a tight subtopic and set a 3-6-month learning target. This gives direction. Once chosen, gather 2 textbooks, 5 key papers, and 3 experts to follow so your intake is high quality. Then schedule 4 to 6 hours each week for deliberate practice, active reading, summarizing, and teaching back. Do these first steps now, because focused input plus consistent time rapidly builds a reliable foundation. Once you have foundations, move into application and synthesis so you convert knowledge into usable expertise. Start small projects or case studies that force decisions, build prototypes, or write sample analyses to reveal gaps. Make a knowledge map and short flash summaries to speed recall and update them weekly. Also, present work to peers every month and invite critique. Real-time feedback sharpens judgment. Together, practice, mapping, and critique deepen your understanding and expose the nuanced trade-offs experts know. To finish, you validate and amplify your expertise by teaching, publishing, or consulting so external demands confirm competence. Create a 12-month roadmap with measurable milestones and regular reviews to keep momentum and add complementary skills. Make sure to mentor others. Explaining complex ideas reveals blind spots. If progress stalls, isolate the specific gap, ask targeted questions to experts, and run quick experiments to resolve uncertainty. This problem-focused loop is the fastest way to recover and continue growing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.